welcome back to another week. It's your girl Desiree, and as you can tell by the video description, guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna be doing lashes. So I'm gonna show you guys how to apply false lashes in hopefully under 5 minutes. I've been super quick at doing it, and a lot of people have been asking me to do lash tutorials. So y'all, as you can see, I already did my makeup and everything like that. And if you do want to see like my everyday full face makeup routine, I will include a video at the end of the video because I already have one on my channel. But let's just get into it. Hope it's as easy as it is for y'all as it is for me. Like I said, practice makes perfect anytime that you try to do something. And the more you keep consistently do something, the easier it becomes. So yeah, let's just get into it. And before we even get started, guess what I'm gonna ask y'all to do? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I'm posting. And that's just that on that. All right, cool. And don't forget to like and comment, you know, if y'all like the video and everything. So I'm going to show you guys the glue that I use. So this is the glue that I actually use. You can get this at your local beauty supply store. I'll see if they have it on Amazon because I know like a lot of people still are like not going to the stores because we're under quarantine and everything. So I'll definitely check and see if they have it there. But I use this because it dries like really, really quick and it has a really, really good hold on it. So hope this works for y'all. All right. So what we're going to do first is you're going to take your tweezers. You want to hold your lashes from the middle. As you can see, I'm holding my lashes from the middle right here. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your glue, and what I tend to do is I'll squeeze out a little bit because sometimes you will squeeze out too much and you're putting too much on the lashes, and I'll take a little bit of the product and just kind of like glide it across. So, like so. All right, so as you can see on the lash line, I've applied the glue. What I usually do is I blow on it, or I have like a fan that I use too to dry it quickly. So I do this for about probably like, I would say 15 seconds or so. Just to get it to dry super fast. Oh, my lip gloss is popping. Okay, my lip gloss is cool. All of what's shocking, they chased me at this school. Okay, anyway, y'all. So, like I said, you want to just dry it. Okay, so I have it where the lash is dry now. Or two, it's like, it's not super dry because if you get it super dry, it's not going to stick to your eye. You're going to apply the lash from the middle. Hold on, I'm going to have to look in my mirror, y'all. It's kind of hard to show y'all and do it at the same time. Oh, there we go. Lash is popping. Is it on there? Okay, y'all, it's on there. Okay, and guess what? We're gonna repeat the same thing for the other side. So it's basically, I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. So it's basically, that didn't make no sense. That didn't make any sense, actually, proper grammar. So I'm gonna do the same thing for this side. One thing that I didn't mention in the other part is that you want to cut the eye. You want to cut the eyelash based off of your eyes. So my eyelashes are already pre-cut because these are lashes that I'm using again. So like I said, you just want to make sure that they're cut accordingly. You don't want them like off the edge. You don't want them too far over here because then it causes irritation to your eyes. Like I said, just bone it. But the key is to insert it from the middle, because then once you insert it from the middle in the position that you want, it's easier for you to navigate the lash how you want to place it above like your other lashes. Like you literally are putting it right on your lash line. We're just going to repeat the same thing for this side. So like I said, you're going to insert it from the middle. And before I place it, I'm going to show you guys. Like I said, I have to look in my mirror to see. So you see how I have it on there now. And I'm just going to take my tweezers. Or you can take your fingers if you're a beginner. But for one of my eyes, usually my right eye, I usually go ahead and just open it and place the lash how I want to. Like so. Okay, let me see. We popping. The lashes is on. Lashes be getting that look all the way together, y'all. Okay, y'all. I feel cute or whatever. And most of the time, what I'll do is, I'll just show y'all. Got so much little makeup stuff over here. I just take my Morphe palette and my, these are my, eyeshadows. I was like, brain fart for a minute. Anyway, so I just take them, and I love the color Vacay, or it's called Faux Real, F-A-U-X. It's so cute. Anyway, but I'll put a little bit right here and right here. That's what I'm gonna do. And it is depending upon what color I have on. And it just add that little nice little pop to your eyes that you're looking for. Y'all can see it. I feel like it's not as easy to see it because it like depends on the light, and I'm recording at night, y'all, because I just had like a little bit of a busy day today. So normally during the daytime, like you can see probably like the actual color a little bit better. Once I take some pictures, I'll probably insert some at the end. But y'all, get into this look. And this is like a nice little cute everyday look. And like I said, depending upon, well, I didn't say this, but depending upon like how you like your lashes is going to be like which ones you decide to buy. These I actually got from Amazon. Super cute. I will include a link below if you want like the same ones. Super, super cute. Super affordable. Get like 5 pair, I think. 4 or 5 pair. No, 5 pair. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I'll try to keep it short and sweet. Guess what I'm asking you to do? Hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you know when your girl is posting. And your girl is out. Later. Bye.